Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Liberty bed frame in the grey fabric. The Liberty bed frame is available in 3 size options. We have a 4'6", a 5 foot and a 6 foot, and that is what I have here with me today. We also have a second colour option, which is a beautiful and rich teal velvet. This is an ottoman base with a built-in gas lift mechanism system. This system is designed to effectively lift the base no matter the weight or depth of your mattress. To lift the base, use the strap handles that are featured at the foot end of this bed frame. To pull the base back down again, use 2 hands equally spaced from the centre of the mattress and push down. We also have a centre bar with 2 extra legs hidden underneath the storage boards to provide additional support. The side rails that measure at 31 cm in height and 6 cm in thickness just add to the sturdy structure of this bed frame. The Liberty bed features quite a tall headboard that measures at 131 cm in height from the floor to the top of the headboard, which creates a gorgeous focal point and draws the gaze up. Although the bed frame is quite low to the ground, it is accented by these beautiful walnut feet. This bed frame really has the best of both worlds. Not only is it a delight on the eye, but it also features plenty of storage space with the ottoman base. The ample storage space and the no foot end design on this bed makes it the perfect choice for a smaller bedroom. Transform your bedroom today with the Liberty bed frame by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.